25 years ago, it was all about how the stuff works. And that's gradually changed, and changed quite rapidly. I mean, 25 years is really quite quick. But it's now become a matter of the stuff as a tool. So can I make an animation?
The abacus is a calculation tool constructed from a wooden frame with beads on sliding wires. The exact origins of the abacus are unknown, but it's thought to have developed somewhere in the Middle East around 2500 BCE, with its modern form first appearing in China in the 13th century. The abacus was invented to help in the calculation of large numbers. While it did not compute calculations on its own, it worked as an aid to assist people in calculations, and so some say the abacus is an early computer device. In 1999, some treasure hunters discovered a 3,600-year-old bronze disc outside the German town of Nebra. Now known as the Sky Disk of Nebra, researchers believe it had been used as an astronomical clock of the solar and lunar calendars. Another early computing device is the Antikythera mechanism, dated to about 87 BC. The device was discovered in a shipwreck off a Greek island in the early 20th century. It is a clockwork mechanism, and scientists believe its function was to perform as an analog computer that could model the movements of heavenly objects. Other early computing devices include Napier's rods and early mechanical calculators. Invented by Scottish mathematician and philosopher John Napier in the late 1500s, Napier's rods were a set of numbered wooden rods used in mathematical calculations. This era also saw the invention of the slide rule, a mechanical device that performed multiplication and division, still in use in the 20th century. In 1642, French mathematician Blaise Pascal constructed one of the early mechanical calculators. Other early computing devices include a multiplication wheel developed by Gottfried Leibniz in 1694, and the development of Joseph Jacquard's punch card loom in 1801. The punch card loom used the holes in pasteboard punch cards to control the weaving of patterns in fabric. Although it did no computation, it allowed people to change the pattern of a loom's weave simply by changing cards. This idea of storing instructions was a conceptual precursor to computer programming. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage designed the difference engine to calculate mathematical tables, and the analytical engine, which had several features subsequently used in modern computers, including sequential control, branching, and looping. Another early ancestor of the modern-day computer was the tabulating machine, created by Herman Hollerith in the 1880s to help with US Census data calculations. This machine used punch card technology to tabulate and sort information. The abacus, a series of sliding beads in a wooden frame that helped people calculate, is one of the earliest known computing devices. Other early computing devices include the slide rule and mechanical calculators. The punch card loom was a precursor to modern computer programming, and Charles Babbage's designs and the tabulating machine contained features still used in modern computers.